Hello YouTube. In this video I am going to demonstrate how you use your Pytorch model in C++. First, make a project folder. Make images folder inside it. Then make a IPython notebook file. Images folder contains some images. I copied ImageNet classes over the internet. First we load pre-trained VGG19 model. Then we load an image from images folder. We reshape the image to 224 by 224. It's a cat image. Then we convert the image into Pytorch tensor and normalize it. Then we pass the image tensor to model, applying softmax to logits and argmax to get the prediction, using the prediction value to get the name of output class, and according to model, it's a cat. Now let's convert the VGG19 model to ONNX format in order to use it on C++ side. Let's install ONNX Runtime. Go to its GitHub page and download the file according to your operating system. I am using Linux, so I go with Linux 1. Extract the file and copy the include and lib folder in your project folder. Here I am installing Raylib in my system. To work with images, you can use OpenCV. Here I am building Raylib from source. Clone the Raylib repository in your system. Raylib by default don't support JPG file format. Locate config.h file and uncomment line number 155, which says support file format JPG. Follow the instructions given under the wiki tab of Raylib GitHub and install the library. Make a CPP file and import Raylib and ONNX Runtime. If it runs successfully, congrats, you are good to go. In CPP file, I load the same image and resize it to 224 by 224 so that it support the model. In order to convert image to tensor, first we flatten the image. Here I wrote a simple function for that. Now let's convert the flattened image vector into a vector of tensor. Here I am writing a function that takes vector of tensor as input and also output a vector of tensors. In this function, we create an environment for inference by loading our model. After inference, we release the session and environment. Then we call the inference function using our VGG19 ONNX model. Now we have raw logits from the inference. To get the predicted value, we need softmax and argmax function. Softmax function takes raw logits and output probabilities. Argmax function takes probabilities and returns a pair which contains confidence and the index of maximum probability. Here, ImageNet classes is a vector contains the ImageNet classes. I got some errors, mostly related due to typing mistake. Our model predicts it's a tiger cat, and this image contains a cat. Let's try it with image of a car. Our model predicts it's a race car. After some modifications, we can use this program as CLI tool. You can also try to make a GUI tool. Raylib library has all things you need to make a GUI tool. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing this channel.